Honorable Mufti Noman Naim, Chancellor of Jamia Binoria, and all his wonderful team that I frequently met. This is my first time coming for this graduation day, but this is my 5th time coming to Binoria. It's always like a privilege to come to Binoria, and I also want to grace the 4th of Indonesia graduation today. 4 among the 75 graduates, and all congratulations for the 75 graduates from 23 countries. My dear colleague from Consulate General, Malaysia and Oman, and all distinguished guests from Pakistan, and all Mufti Ulama, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's really privilege that I have opportunity to come and to grace this important meeting. As you know that I am coming here as representing our 270 million Indonesian people, mostly we are the biggest Muslim population in the world, and I also representing 20 students in Binoria University, and also 4 graduates. Please stand up. Indonesian student, yes, 4 Indonesian students that's graduate. Congratulations, and I'm personally very proud. First and foremost, because this year we got news from Binoria that Binoria has recognition for the awardee from the Higher Education Commission. This is a very good news for Indonesian students, so they can build up career, and they say they also can pat proud as a Binoria graduate in Indonesia. Distinguished guests, as we know, Indonesia and Pakistan constitute 2 biggest Muslim population in the world. Indonesia is the biggest one, and Pakistan is the 2nd biggest one. Therefore, cooperation in the Islamic study is pivotal element in the relation of the 2 countries. And I'm very happy last year I bring representative from Nahdlatul Ulama, the biggest Indonesia organization, coming this place to see Honorable Mufti Noman Naim. This is one of my pride that finally we bring a Nahdlatul Ulama personnel come to Binoria. This is the first of its kind that we can further cooperate and also enhance the cooperation. During my first assignment here, I frequently visit my Indonesian student here. First, because we want to express our gratitude and appreciation that Binoria taking care of Indonesia student very, very well. So I would like to express once again our appreciation, and I would like to express our readiness for fully enhanced cooperation to Binoria. And I'm always welcome to any invitation and cooperation, and also thanks for taking care of Indonesia student. And I would like once again to give some advice to Muhammad Said. Stand up. Kunto Wijanarko, Muhammad Ridho Abdullah, and Rahmat Dhani Hidayat for giving example as an Indonesian student graduate from Binoria, and I hope they can contribute to enhance the Islamic teaching in Indonesia, because they are playing important role in developing and also encourage Ummah to be a good Muslim and also Rahmatan lil Alamin. As we know that we are now in the situation where Islam always blame and everything, and when Islamophobia existing around the world. So this opportunity, I would like to again thank you very much, and once again we would like to congratulate Binoria for this event. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.